Nobody ever teaches you how to be an adult. That's a quote that hit me right between the eyes while reading How to Be a Grown-Up. The 14 Essential Skills You Didn't Know You Needed by Rafi Grinberg. So let me ask, have you ever found yourself feeling lost about, life stuff? Like taxes, relationships, or simply making decisions? This book is basically the adulting manual you wish you got when you turned 18. Grinberg breaks down all the big confusing parts of adulthood into 14 straightforward skills. Skills that can make life feel a whole lot less intimidating. Let me walk you through some of the biggest ideas. First up, learning how to make decisions when there's no right answer. Life rarely gives you a multiple choice test. Grinberg suggests thinking in probabilities, not certainties, kind of like playing chess, where you move based on your best guess, not a guaranteed win. The key is to act, learn, and adjust. Don't freeze up waiting for perfect clarity. Next, mastering your money. I'm not talking about getting rich overnight, just understanding the basics, budgeting, saving, and investing. Imagine your bank account as a garden. If you water it a little every day, by setting aside even small amounts, you'll be amazed at how things grow. Then there's communicating like a grown-up. And no, that doesn't mean using fancy words. It's about being honest, clear, and listening as much as you talk. Think of tough conversations like changing a tire. Awkward, sure, but learn the steps and you'll handle breakdowns much better. Another big theme is taking care of yourself, physically and mentally. Grinberg says self-care isn't just face masks or gym selfies. It's building routines that protect your energy and spirit. Even boring stuff like regular sleep pays off big. Finally, Grinberg encourages us to find meaning. Not everyone has a grand purpose at 20, and that's okay. The book suggests experimenting with different paths. Try things, see what fits, and don't stress if you haven't figured it all out. Why does all this matter? Because adulthood isn't about having everything together, it's about picking up skills bit by bit. The sooner you start, the easier life gets. And it's never too late. There's no deadline for learning how to be a grown-up. So what do you wish someone had taught you about being an adult? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. If How to Be a Grown-Up sounds helpful, check it out, because nobody's born knowing this stuff, but we can all figure it out together.